This is the overview of the part which we are using the tutorial. I will show the entire part now. Now I will be explaining the few features in the part. This is the parting line. And we have 3 circular features on one side of the mold, 1, 2, and this one is the third, and there are 4 bosses. This is the first one, and this is the second one, this is the third, and this is fourth, and there are 4 side vents, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and there are 4 ejection pin impression which you can see here. They are circular impressions,